Jennifer from Travelers Influencers, and today I'm making beetroot juice. I'm going to be using carrots and celery and ginger. I absolutely love ginger, so as you can see I'm juicing quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is store it in a jar and keep it in the fridge so that I've always got it there ready when I need it. So as you can see, I've chopped up all the ingredients that I'm using, the carrot, beetroot, celery, but I already juiced the ginger separately. So I'm just juicing it now. And also, if you wanted to at this stage, you can add an apple if you wish, but I don't need to because it's sweet enough already. I've just finished juicing the beetroot and carrot, and as you can see, it has produced a lot of roughage. So whatever you do, do not throw it away. It has plenty of good nutrition in it. So be creative and make a dessert with it. Like I said earlier, don't throw away your roughage, try and be creative. I used to make a raw carrot and beetroot dessert. I've not done it for about 6 years, so I'm going to try and do something today. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Agave, coconut oil, dates, raisins, raw cashew, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and almonds. So I'm putting in about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil in there, that's right. Next I'm putting half a cup of raisins, and especially because it's got more beetroot in it than carrot, so it might not be sweet enough. So depending how sweet you want it, you could probably put a bit less in. And then I'm just putting in just 1/3 cup of dates. And I soaked that a bit in water just in case it doesn't blend down properly. And then I'm going to put in some ginger. Put a teaspoon of ginger in. And then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder also. To just put in about half a teaspoon of nutmeg, grounded nutmeg. Oops, and look, I forgot to add in my almonds. I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of ground almonds. And soon that's going to get ready to start blending. Put water in it and then blend it. I'll just put a bit of extra water in to get it going, because you should use a processor, but I've used my hand, done by hand before, so I'm just going to blend it quickly. So I'm just making the frosting now for the dessert. So I've put in about 4 tablespoons of agave syrup, put in 2 cups of cashew, and the coconut oil that I was using, because it was kind of hard, I had to melt it first. So I'm just going to use about 4 tablespoons of the coconut oil. Okay, then I'm going to blend that. I might put a bit of water in it if it doesn't blend too easily. Just put a dash in there. You can put vanilla in there if you want to as well. That's optional, that's up to you. And the coconut oil, you do not have to. It's your preference. So let's just get ready to blend this now. So just blend it until it's smooth, until everything has been blended smooth. So there you've got the cashew frosting. It is just absolutely lovely. Smooth, and I cannot wait to tuck into that.